What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton RTR EXB 6S, and also got the Team Kagama 6S. A little bit, but not that bad. Oh, the little baby backflip. I think I can do a stint. Oh, this thing is a beast. Steering a little wonky though. That steering is a little off. Hopefully I don't break anything. Perfect. Well, we almost had it. Come on, you can turn. The Kagama is a pretty durable truck. Got good handling. For some reason I'm not hitting them jumps, but that's cool. That is okay. That is okay. Yo, this is not even turning no more. Turn. Jeez. Alright, I'm gonna try to adjust this servo saver real quick. Get right back to you. Yeah, I had to tighten up the servo saver. I still need some more adjusting to that, but I'm just leaving it like it is right now. That. Ooh. know what kind of landing that was, but it did land. Peace. Now I got out the Kraton. EXB, RTR. Whoa. There's something going on. It's kind of delayed. It's like I push power and don't do nothing, and then it just revs up too fast. I'm gonna recalibrate this real quick. Be right back. Handles better. Yo, this thing is a beast. About to rain on me. Got so much power pushing there. Oh, damn. Let me turn this down a little bit. This thing is real torquey right now. Yo, I had to replace the drive cup, because these drive cups keep breaking on me. I don't know why. Ouch. Oh my damn. This thing is so torquey now, man. I'm at the recalibrate like it's supposed to be. What is going on with you? What? You're not doing trying, because this is not working. I think it's right there. try. Oh yeah, I broke something that time. Something definitely broke. Sound like a dog bone came out. And of course, I broke the drive cup. Bent the dog bone, broke the drive cup. Like, this is the third drive cup I broke on this car. I mean, that was a bad landing. I should have stopped. But it can be replaced. Yeah, I'm finished. And the Kraton didn't hold up too well. The dog bone is bent and I broke the drive cup. Now, I got a little secret. The drive cups you can use on this car is to the Karalis, the Team Karate cups. I believe you can use the whole differential, but I'm not sure. But I know for a fact you can use the front and rear drive cups for this. Cause this is like the I got one drive cup in the front and one in the back. Now I'm about to replace another one. So I broke this drive cup to this car 3 times. Broke an arm twice. Now the Kagama, I haven't broke anything yet, but the servo saver is weak. I'm gonna try to find an upgrade for that. I mean, they said a way to tighten that up so it don't keep doing this, but the Kagama performed pretty good. It's just that the Kraton performance seemed a little better, you know what I mean? A little nice, better handling, because I got this brand new, so I adjusted the way I want to adjust it. For some reason, I can't get this Kagama right. I cannot get it right. But I don't know, the Kagama kind of win this, man. It kind of win it. I love the Kraton, but it keep breaking. It keep breaking. I mean, I know I'll be rough. I get it. I get it. I'm rough on the cars, but it shouldn't break that much, man. Well, the way I drive, I guess it would. When you look underneath at the Kagama arms, them things is husky. You know, they thick. But the Kagama arms, front and rear, they pretty thick. And you see, this is the Kraton's arms. So you can kind of see where that comes into play at, and durability. So, you know what I mean? That's the only problem with this Kraton, man, is certain parts aren't that durable. Hate to say it. My V5, I didn't have that many breaks with the cup. I think one of the reasons the cup keep breaking, I mean, yeah, the cup keep breaking because they changed it and they made it longer. It's not as strong as the first one. I never had cups break on me before. But that's enough yapping. Give me your thoughts below. But just again, now remember, if you're having a problem with cups, you can use the Team Karate cups on here. The only reason I use it because I got so many extra Team Karate parts. I got extra Team Karate discs, front, rear, center. So I just decided one day to use the cups, see what it fit, and it fit perfect. You upgraded with those cups, this thing will be a beast. Put some RPM arms on the Kraton, thing will be unstoppable. The Kagama, man, it just needs a little tuning here and there, and it'll be on point for me. But as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.